Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Day 8 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Box. Alright, now it's circular, so I'm going to go with ribbon. Let's see if I can be right one time. Nope. It's washi tape, and it's striped black and grey. I'm trying to find the end so I can peel some off to show you. There it is. I'll grab the envelope back and lay some out for you to see. Oh, see, it's not grey at all. It is literally black and white. Just because it's lying on top of each other, it looks like it's got grey in there. But it is black and white stripes. That would be really cool as a border, or even ripped up amongst the ephemera would look really, really good as well. So that was day 8. Join me tomorrow for day 9. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.